And we're live for live stream 465, and I've taken a few trades today. Well, I've taken one trade so far today. It happened to be a loser. I got out of it pretty early, lost 112 before commissions, of course, and it was a short. Now, went against the rules a little bit by taking a short in a market so close to all-time highs over on NQ. So went short just here. Price turned around, didn't wait for it to get to stop, exited the position for that minus 112 loss. So it was not great, that trade. It was not great. But what can you say? Eh? What can you say? So it was, should certainly not have been taking a trade so close to all-time highs, a short trade. So okay, all right, let's see if we can get this one here out. Let's see if we can get out of our silver here, get back flat. Where is that? 820. 820. So right here, let's see if we can. Oh, hold on, that's not gonna work. Yeah, okay, buy. Let's buy 240. How you doing, Mr. ETH? Let's see if we can buy 240 here. So we took that first trade off, just trying to recover from the early loss over here. Probably should have just kept it. Let's see. Probably should have kept that. This needs to be lower. How's it been going, ETH? How's your trading been going, mate? How has the old crypto markets been treating you? Certainly had some decent volatility. So we'll see if this goes all the way up to that target. We'll certainly cancel the position. We are up at, recovered the earlier loss on NQ with that early take profit there on silver. So we'll see if we can get pulled back, triggered, and if we can get this move to the upside. It'll be a little bit annoying if it goes all the way to target. We'll see. We will see. Oh, Snappy's back. Yeah, mate. The old job has been occupying my time. Look at this thing here. 362. 362. Had a big lower day on Tuesday. And the market's like, not today, buddy. Went lower, couldn't quite get lows. Could transition higher. So we will see. We will see. Going pretty good. The $100 account is almost 700. I missed some trades because price bounced just in a tiny bit before my entry. I also lost one after it almost hit the target, but it happens. Mate, to go from $100 to $700, that's pretty good, mate. That's really good. That is really good. Oh my word. Is this thing going to show that I should have just kept the position on? It's probably going to do that. It's going to go down as a execution error. That's going to probably end up costing me this month. Golly. I need the trades that do work to 89.25. So the option's certainly there, but I'll keep it where it is. So this month is setting up pretty good so far. Actually, let's see. 808, 681, 608. Started the day at 96. So we break even. Suppose you didn't need to check that, but how's the apprentice getting on, Heath? Your apprentice, you've been showing how to trade. How is he getting on? Look at this thing here. Oh my word. Is that ATH? This might be ATH. Need to find something. Oh, let's use a GDX chart. Reset. NQ. Why is this not scrolling? Okay, let's go with NQ. Yeah, all-time highs. New all-time highs. Look at that breakout. 26,403. We are going long. Oh my word, look at that. All-time high. What's that? Oh, let's get rid of that. I need to change my battery settings as well. Because oh my word, look at that push there. He hasn't been trading, I don't think. He may be another person. Huh? He may be another person who quits when it gets tough. Fair enough. Golly, look at this breaking out all-time highs. Ah, getting out early. Getting out early. Will I come to regret that? Oh, look at that push there. These markets won't stop. Hoping that this thing don't just reverse and take me out. When it comes to trading, you got to be a bit of an ideologue. The day trading mistakes robbing your account. This is costing you 500 plus per day. Nice little clickbait. Nice little clickbait right there. So, ooh, wow, coming all the way back. Come on, trigger us in. There we go. So, we will see. We will see. So if I've been doing a lot of tinkering, as you can imagine. Oh, mate. I've been doing some tinkering, and my mate, my AI friend was like, your statistics aren't looking great despite the profits. So, where's the last chat? Let's see. Make into slideshow. Make into slide show. Oh, that's not good. That's certainly not the type of price action. That's going to be a stop out. Yeah, that's going to be a stop out. New. Maybe it's your time to lose. Lose. I win. 15,500. You know what? That's a good place to put a stop. If it comes in clear as that, then so be it. It was an aggressive entry anyway. Let's see. I'm building that PowerPoint out. We can look at the insights so far for the month of May. Still looking at a losing day here. Could be on the backside of this run to the upside. This could just be lower high, and continues to the downside. So it could be about what's going to happen here. Could be on the wrong side, the backside. Highs, lower highs again. And it just continues to the downside. But we'll see. We will see. Ideally, I'd like if this was to close bearish and the next candle's a strong bullish candle with a smaller range that allows me to bring this down a little bit. Love for that to be the case. Look at this thing here. Goodness me. Just go long, right? It's that simple. Just go long. Wonder what's happening here. So that's potentially 660. That would be a pretty solid day. Where would that take our account? It would take us through the 7 million mark. 7.4-ish. Nice. If we lose essentially 400, we'll be up like 6.4, which isn't too bad. Isn't too bad. I was concerned that this is maybe I should have waited, been a bit more patient. Wait for it to come down here, down to the 150s and see if we can get something. You know, he who dares wins and all the rest of it. Certainly a second bearish candle is not going to fill me with a lot of confidence. I got 10 slides. Oof, look at this. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Went to the top of the range, turned around. Not looking good. So before this, what's going to probably be not a great result, we're going to download that and get that there, save that to our not looking good. Feeling FOMO to the upside. Let's get our Gmail up. We can look at some insight. Let's see. Google Drive. When did I do this? 7/22. Ooh, what's that? Battery's low. Ugh. When I get stopped out here, I will look at this thing. Got all the way to 565. It's just not stopping. It is not stopping. It is not stopping. You know what? Like, how likely are we to be stopped out, right? Within a minute. Let's go have a look at this thing. And where's the slide? Slide. How do you start a slideshow? You right click. Come on. Slideshow. There we go. So this is a trading from the 1st to the 12th of May. 68.4% win rate, 2.54 million. Account was up to 6.8. That's pretty much where it is. Opening balance, that's not right. I need to go back and check that. That should not be right. That should be about 5 million. Expectancy 6.7. As we can see, we went negative right there. Fair amount. Win rate 40 went from April 44.7 so far in May 68.4. Expectancy in April is 11k. Expectancy in May is 67. We can see the change for the better. The average win has gone down. That's negative. We've increased our loss size. We've had larger losses, so that's a negative as well. Risk reward, that's down to 0.73. That's not great. That's lower. Expectancy is up 509%. All instruments profitable. That's been fixed apparently. Opening balance in April 3.39. Opening in May 4.29. So not great in terms of this here and this and this. So some metrics there for concern. Best day plus 1.98. Worst day minus 174. And as the theme continues, where I have a really bad day and then a really good day follows it. So the 7th of May, 8th of May, and that's where my account was after I did the statistics there. Profitable across the board. Early on in May, decided I'm not going to trade. I'm going to finally take the advice and avoid trading gold because it was dragging in March and April. So only a couple of trades on gold, and then decided to stop trading with 75% win rate. NQ seemed to have a really good read of NQ at 73%. Silver, not too bad at 63%. There's a total P&Ls. A large part of it is gold, even though I'm not trading it, which is interesting. And the expectancy is certainly higher on silver there. The average loss is pretty big as well. Slightly smaller than the average gain. NQ certainly need to improve there. The average loss is 435. The average win is 189. That's just not great. The sustainable metrics. 5 minute now top of the bucket. Again, that's just snatching at profits. That's probably why the average wins are so small. 30 to 60. Now that used to be the best in April and March. Now that seems to be a bit of a danger. Oh, hold on. Short holds now profitable too. It's because I'm getting out quicker. Small sample size, only 3 to 4 trades, 30 to 60 minutes, all the rest of it. So certainly been avoiding the short trades because that's what's been messing me up in March and April. And as we can see, only took 8 trades there, took 30 long trades. Clearly the market's in a bull uptrend. Despite that, I took a short trade today and lost. So you can see 2.78 picked up off just the long trades. Recognizing a bigger market. May 7th, 62% win rate, but minus 74. So 3 wins, 5 losses. Losses average 1.16. That's far too much risk there. 1 bad exit destroyed a session. Yeah. recurring pattern. April 6th, 0% win rate across 8 trades. April 17th, 22% win rate, 9 trades. May 7th, again using too much size. Wins but massive losses, again too much size. Sizing is an issue. Implement daily loss limit, I've been avoiding that. Cap position size, I certainly can do that. Continuous short bias reduction, yes, certainly in an uptrend as markets trade near all-time highs. Avoiding short trades is certainly going to pay dividends. Monitor the whole time shift carefully. Don't sure about that. Replicate May 8th template. Thing is, 3 things may confirmed. Strategy improvement has worked. 68.4% win rate. All instruments profitable. Changes made after April 17th have delivered. And that's when I decided to take a different approach with the commodities, gold and silver. One session can still destroy your week from that over leveraging. 3 months, 3 catastrophic single sessions, 6th, 17th of April and May 7th. Combined cost 4.71 million. Without hard daily stop loss, this pattern will repeat. This is the only unfixed structural problem. If only, mate. Oh, account has grown from 3.39 to 6.80, 100% win return in 2 months. April 1.54, May partial 2.54. Compounding is real. Protect it. One uncapped bad day at current account size could erase both months of gains. So that's the insight. That is the insight. That's the only insight. Not sure if anybody's even watching, but oh, hold on. No, don't do it. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Hold on. Oh, hold on a second here. 240. Oh no! No. It's got 240 in there. Fuck. No wonder I knew something goes up. Shit. Oh shit. Oh, I knew something goes up. I thought those numbers were going up a bit too much. No. Let's see, I need to get out. There's far too much on. Yes. That is a problem. So we take 480. Yeah, we need to take 480 off. So hopefully the market treats me favorably here. Come on. What's the spread? The spread's up at 25. Okay. Okay. All right. So where we want to be, we want to drag this down a little bit to there. I'm going to drag this down to there. I'm risking 864. 864 to make 1176. What were those trades worth? 54 and 48. So we're almost up to 7. Oh no, I guess I'm going to lose. Darn it. Sellers have come back. No. This should have just followed through above those highs. The fact that it didn't is a problem. That is a problem. That is a problem. Let's see, 864. What would that do to the account? Take us down to about 6 million. Okay. All right. About 6 million. That's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. Where do we start the day? Let's see. 6.2. No, 6.8. We give up. It's a fair amount, isn't it? And that's not accounting for slippage. It's not accounting for slippage. We need to fix this as well. So let's make sure we fix this so we don't get involved in that nonsense again. Let's see. I guess I'm on the back side. Yeah. Ah, fuck, man. Damn, I'm on the back side. This son of a gun wants to go lower. Fuck. The failure right there. Broke the highs. Couldn't sustain. I'm just going to have to eat the loss. Gonna have to eat the loss. Sellers have not left this market alone. Oh well. I could de-risk a bit. Yeah, I could de-risk a bit. No, that's not part of the plan. Oof. That was a pretty violent move there. They're definitely coming for these lows. Yes, they are. I guess I'm going to lose 864. Probably 900 when all things are factored in. Yeah, there we go. There we go. There we go. 984. Jeez Louise. Guess we are on the back side. Where's that taking us? Below 6? Oh my word, we are below 6. Ah, golly. That's not gonna help. That is not going to help. Mm. So, but crazy to think we're making another all-time high again. Well, you can't really predict with these markets, mate. Market will do whatever it feels like. It's like we saw with tariff day 2025, and within months we're at new all-time highs. So these markets will do anything. We had a selling yesterday on CPI. Now the market's probably rallying on reduced trade tensions and whatever reason. The market doesn't need anything to rally at the moment. How did your trading go today, mate? Another great session playing a little safe trading ES. Fair enough, mate. Fair enough. Fair enough. 875. Oh wow. 875. 450. Interesting. Interesting. Mm. So we need like 400. 400. Yeah, good luck with that. I think today is just going to have to be a losing day. It's just going to have to be a losing day. Yeah, I could have made it back going the other way, but there's no setup that way, so. This is feeling. Trade fees problematic. It's not selling off. This is being held up here. Oh, okay. This shit be clean, man. Fuck me. Why can't this shit be flipping clean, man? Jeez, the fucking ways, man. Just fucking. How are we going to get to 540 pullback now? What the is up with that? What the shit is up with that? Come on. Oh my flipping word. Come on. Oh my word. 40 again. Oh, the target's up at 42.75. Golly. Oh my word. So from 2.75 points away, we have gone 20 points away and failing. Huh. Ah, goodness me. If we'd have hit target and come back, I'd be feeling good, but the fact that we didn't, not feeling the best. I wonder where they count. Ah, we're at 4.4, 5.4. So let's take 6.4. 6.4. You know what? You know what? So I gotta let the winners play out. I don't strangle losers, so let's not strangle winners. If we get stopped out, so be it. We knew the risk, we took the risk. So let's see if we can get this to play out. So it's an aggressive continuation, especially our market at all-time highs at higher day. So who knows? Maybe this is one pullback too many. One NQ. And who knows? Maybe we are really on the backside of this silver, and we won't see. Maybe we really are on the backside, and we won't see a move back up. Time will tell. Time will tell. In the next episode of Complete Amateur Trading. Suppose this is an interesting level, 65, targeting 15 points above higher day and all-time highs. We need a break back inside this area. It's probably too aggressive. That's too aggressive. That's too aggressive. That's too aggressive. That's too aggressive. I can't think to do that. That's ridiculous. What I was thinking of doing just now is it's just ridiculous. It's far too aggressive. It's far too aggressive. I would have to be a bit of a madman to do that. Far too aggressive. It would be far too aggressive. I suppose I could caveat it. No, that's just too much. You can't do that. You can't do that. No way. No way. It's not. Hmm. He who dares wins. Would that be being too aggressive? Would that be too aggressive? 116. I would have to do 120. 120. No. That's just too. 935. I'd love to see violent buys on silver. Definitely on the wrong side. Fuck. Side of silver. Damn, 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 damn. Definitely on the wrong side of silver. Oh my word. On the wrong side of silver. Fuck. I need to figure out a way to not be in these backside moves, man. I really do. I really do. And even this NQ does not good. There was a lot of aggression on NQ, not NQ, on silver yesterday. Yeah, where was it? This here. Right, into the close. No. I noticed a lot of relentless buying. And I was on the wrong side of it. Now, this fucker ain't, the buyers are not there. The buyers are not there. The buyers are not there. Do you want me? Golly. 23 minutes to go. Yeah. Not likely. Not likely. Currently trading 370. I need it to go up 104 ticks to 895. 106 ticks. Not gonna happen. Let's see. This is 23. I need this to go up to 48 points in 23 minutes. Would have to have a favorable imbalance. Hmm. Sometimes I feel like I know I can count on you. No fucking way. Ain't no fucking way.
Welcome back to yet another video. Hope everyone is doing well. I know it's been an awfully long time since I've delivered a video. However, as many of you guys know, I've been working super hard on Tradely, which is an online
Oh
trading
shit.
platform.
Fuck this, man. Yeah. Oh, actually, that's what I could do. That's exactly what I could do. Yeah. That's exactly what I... Come on. Really need the boys to step in silver here. Really need them to step in. Time's come to end the bleeding right there. No way was I going to get back from there. So big, big, big losing day. Golly. From almost 7 million all the way down to 4.3. Joy. Oh wow, that's 774. Great. Let's have a look. We started 6796. 6796. Hmm. 267.40. 267.40 minus 433. 433. 2413.80. Golly, lost 2.4 million. Jeez Louise. Just like the insight predicted, could lose several days worth of profit on one bad day. 2.463 million. Not good. Not good. We'll come back tomorrow, see what the market brings. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading.